G'day, Clint here. Today is Sunday and it was a really nice day and I really wanted to go fishing, but I'm on call for work, so all the good fishing spots around here are out of phone range, so I thought, oh well, I'll go to the shed and see what I can find to do in the shed. I've got a million projects on the go. So the thing that was right in the way in the doorway when I first walked in was my go-kart. So I changed the gearing on it, put a new fuel tank on it, new fuel hose, gave it a quick clean, and yeah, it's ready to go. So I thought I'd better throw a bit of water on the track and have a bit of a spin. It's been a while since I had the go-kart out. So yeah, just finished putting some water on the track, and I'll take you for a ride. See you soon. Alright, a bit of an art to getting these going on your own, but we'll see how we go. Wow, the go-kart lives again. Hope you enjoyed the ride. I enjoyed it, and I'm sure the dogs enjoyed it. And they don't seem to be that interested at the moment. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.